mabende wageno ni nyalo loso sasa ya ka entiere gwenge mag Bondo kango ka Ramogi kocha korgi Raila Odinga entiere dala Raila Odinga gi thuolo ni ma iluongo ni Opoda Farm kanyendo ma onyalo gole ote mare samora mora duto te biro ni achiel kachiel kendo waikore mar mondo wawinjane ni to Gavana Orengo wacho gi thuolo ni wawinjane gima Orengo wacho nyakoro Ramogi kapok oduoge twak.
We are not starting until we organize.
Media.
Let us order. The committee members in the nyumba ya governor, when you are working for committee, watoke. So that we create order. Sawa.
Can we spread out a bit?
Spread out.
Spread out.
Yo mama kugi.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Ladies and gentlemen of the media, I've just arrived from Nairobi, where you've been attending meetings of the National Funeral Committee, co-chaired by the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya and our Senator, Dr. Biro Odinga, who is now also the interim party leader of ODM. It is indeed a tragedy for us. For me, I never believed that such a day will come when we do not have Jacom around. Kenya has lost one of its most consequential sons and patriots. In fact, I can say without fear of contradiction that Raila Odinga is the greatest Kenyan that ever lived. And for that reason, I appeal all to our people in the entire republic and in Nyanza and in Siaya to give us time and space to have a distinguished send-off for our son and leader, Raila Odinga. As you know, through the state and the President of the Republic of Kenya, there was a proclamation to give Raila Odinga a state funeral. And for that reason, we are going to have guests from all over the world here in Bondo. The final journey ends here in Bondo and in Siaya. So we plead for calmness and peace as we mourn our hero, our legend, so that the world can see from the ceremonies and the functions that we are going to have that we really and truly loved him as our leader. I have had consultations with the committee here, the local funeral committee in Siaya, chaired by the county secretary, Mr. Joseph Ogutu, and assisted by Mr. Guela, and CS Wandai has just been here with us, and Honorable Chanda, the Member of Parliament for Bondo, is here. PS for Trade is also here, and many people are here to make sure that the arrangements go on as planned. I know and trust and believe in our people that the send-off is going to be distinguished, stately, and of a leader who was loved by his people. I know that the time we have had to organize this event, the send-off, 72 hours, just over 72 hours, can never really be enough. We are likely to have hiccups, but I hope all the stakeholders, and more particularly the national government, who are here round the clock, and our committee and the county government of Siaya, we are going to do all that is possible to make sure that all is ready for the funeral on Sunday. I'm glad and happy that the committee here has organized a place for vigil outside the family compound. We need to give the family a little peace, and in any case, this space is not enough. So I also want to use this opportunity to appeal to our people. There is a special area adjacent to the home that has been set aside that can host as many as 3,000 to 5,000 people, so that tomorrow, as the family prepares for the last journey on Sunday, they can have the peace and time to do all that. We, together with the leaders here, are going to be in consultation with the national government to make sure that all is done according to plan. We will probably take a long time before we can have another Kenyan like Raila Odinga. It may take ages for us to produce somebody like Raila Amolo Odinga, a fighter, a revolutionary, a democrat, and a fighter also for justice and prosperity in our land. He deserves the best, and he deserves a hero's send-off. So we'll make sure that all systems are in place for that great day of celebration of his life. Lastly, I also want to note that the committee has made arrangements for receiving dignitaries who may start arriving here from early in the morning tomorrow and